Are you looking to step up your photography game without drowning in complicated settings? Finding the best camera for beginner photographer projects can be overwhelming, but today we are stripping away the confusion. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 ultra-versatile, high-resolution digital cameras that make capturing pro-level content incredibly easy and affordable. Let's dive right in.
Product number 1. A Boo 8K digital camera. If you want massive resolution straight out of the gate, this Boo 8K digital camera is an absolute powerhouse for starters. Packing an astounding 88 megapixel photo capability, it captures details that most entry-level models miss. The standout feature is its ultra-intuitive 3.2-inch touchscreen, making menu navigation feel as simple as using your smartphone. Built with a dual-camera system, it allows you to toggle perspectives easily, which is perfect for capturing scenery or turning the lens on yourself. It features a responsive autofocus system and a 16x digital zoom to pull faraway subjects right into view. The built-in anti-shake technology keeps handheld shots crisp and steady, minimizing blur. To ensure you never run out of juice during a shoot, it comes fully loaded with a dedicated charging stand and 2 rechargeable batteries. It is an all-in-one package ready to elevate your creative journey.
Product number 2. Teftimon 4K Wi-Fi Vlogging Camera. The Teftimon DC101 is tailored perfectly for creators who want to balance high-quality photography with vlogging. It delivers crisp 4K video alongside 64 megapixel still images, ensuring your content looks sharp on any platform. Beginners will love the contrast detection autofocus system. A simple half press of the shutter button locks onto subjects instantly. Its 3.0-inch IPS screen flips a full 180 degrees, allowing you to frame your selfies and video logs with absolute precision. Sharing your content online is seamless thanks to built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, which pairs with your phone for instant transfers. Beyond standard shooting, this camera functions as a webcam for live streaming and supports creative modes like slow motion and time-lapse. Bundled with a 32GB storage card and 2 batteries, this compact travel companion is built to help you share your world instantly.
Product number 3. Faclum 4K digital camera. For beginners seeking something lightweight, highly efficient, and incredibly straightforward, this 4K compact camera hits the sweet spot. It captures striking 48 megapixel photos and smooth 4K videos, offering plenty of fidelity for social media and family albums. The automated focus tracker takes the guesswork out of shooting, keeping moving subjects sharp without forcing you to fiddle with complex rings. Equipped with active anti-shake stabilization, it minimizes the jitter common to handheld shooting, giving your videos a much smoother, cinematic quality. The package includes 2 long-lasting batteries, meaning you can spend the day exploring and shooting without low battery anxiety. Its pocket-sized design makes it the ultimate casual travel camera, fitting snugly into a small bag or jacket pocket. It is an excellent, user-friendly entry point for anyone discovering the joy of photography.
Product number 4. AreaPix 4K Digital Camera. This sleek digital camera is engineered to take your everyday snapshots to the next level while keeping operations simple. It features an upgraded autofocus mechanism that ensures your targets remain tack-sharp, whether you are shooting portraits or street scenes. The 4K recording capabilities and built-in anti-shake stabilization make it a highly capable vlogging tool for platforms like YouTube and TikTok. For darker environments or nighttime adventures, the integrated flashlight fills the scene beautifully, preventing grainy low-light images. It functions excellently as a point-and-shoot device, allowing true beginners to capture stunning memories without adjusting hundreds of manual configurations. Compact, reliable, and highly portable, it gives novice photographers a massive upgrade over standard smartphone sensors, delivering the deep colors, crisp sharpness, and ease of use needed to stay motivated and creative.
Product number 5. Flyfrost 8K digital camera. The Flyfrost DC226 pushes the boundaries of beginner gear by offering an elite 8K video resolution combined with 88 megapixel image capture. Built with a specialized front and rear dual lens setup, this camera lets you switch viewpoints instantly, making it a masterclass tool for hybrid shooters. The large 3.2-inch IPS touchscreen provides effortless control over your settings, while the 6-axis anti-shake stabilization provides remarkably steady video footage even while you are walking. With integrated Wi-Fi working through the dedicated app, you can download files directly to your mobile device for rapid editing and posting. It comes complete with a massive accessory bundle, including a lens hood to block stray glare, a charging stand, and a 32GB card. It offers professional-leaning features scaled down into an interface designed specifically for passionate amateurs.
Thank you for watching the video till the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.